101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yeah, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have a special program, namely Smart Up Your Life with Smart FM. Of course, with English communities. And as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friends from a few English communities, of course, in Makassar. Hi, guys. How are you? Fine, good, excellent. Okay, give big applause first for us. Yeah, but before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening in Smart Up Your Life English discussion, of course, I would like to introducing one by one our speaker for this evening. Okay, start from you, Miss. Okay, could you introduce yourself? What is your community? Where are you from? Okay, come on.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Fatiatul Makna. You can call me Kapatia. Many people know me Kapatia, and I'm a representative from PPEC.
Okay, what about the schedule?
Panua English Club. Right?
Okay. Yeah, what about the schedule of BPEC?
Yeah, BPEC every Sunday, 10 p.m. 10 a.m. and then I think it's until 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Kafatiha. Welcome to our
welcome.
home. Okay, next, you could you introduce yourself? What is your English community and what about the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you so much for the opportunity for today. My name is Nurul Ainun Habibah. You can call me Biba. I'm representative from Max, Makassar, Almarkas, Makassar, Hoodie and Lightning Studies. It is scheduled on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. at Almarkas.
Oh, wow. Three times in a
Yeah,
week.
3 times in a
Ooh,
week.
wow. Could you open your mask, please? The smart viewers and listeners at home see you. Can I see you? Okay.
Sorry.
No. Oh, no problem. No problem. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, you may open when you speak. Okay, next. What about you, sister? Could you introduce yourself? What is your English club and what about the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you for having me tonight. My name is Harmila. You guys can call me Mila. I am
Hi,
from
Mila.
Hi. I am from Hack Hasanuddin English Community. It's scheduled on Wednesday and Friday at 4 p.m. in Iptex.
What the
Makassar.
period you join with Hack?
Firstly, I joined in Hack in 2014. Yeah.
Oh, you are very senior. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Mila.
Mila.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, go through introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home. What is your meeting clubs? What about the schedule, please?
Hello everyone.
Hello.
First the time, thanks for having me. I'm Siti Nurhalisa. You can call me Icha. I'm a representative from setting Saturday meeting. Schedule in like the name Saturday.
Yeah.
To
What about the time?
8
14 p.m.
Yes. No.
8 morning.
Yes, morning until
morning
2 o'clock.
Oh wow, 2 p.m.
Yes.
Oh my God, so long. 8, 9. Oh my God,
Have
how
to
many years?
session.
6.
Yes, have to session.
Wow. Oh, okay, give a applause for us. Okay, thank you, Kak Fatiha, Abiba, Mila, Icha. Okay, welcome to our home. Yeah, before we discussing about our topic for this evening, the opening teasing is we will talking about as usually week by week we have a special topic, but this evening is a very unusual topic because we will talking about the existence about object, but basic and physic. And of course, our topic for this evening is metaphysic dimension. Give a applause for us. Yeah. Okay. You again. Yeah, you. What is your reaction when you got for the first time this topic?
Okay, thank you. Actually, the topic today, I'm interested because talking about the abstract things. I mean, unreal things.
Your reaction.
My reaction is,
You're just enjoy.
yeah, I'm happy.
Ah,
So, yes,
really?
I'm happy because of I always call that if I call in Indonesia could be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Rasa yang merasa bukan perasaan. Thank you.
Oh wow, it's deep, like a philosophy, right? Oh my God, that's why you just feel like this is a normal for me, right? This is a normal, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay,
Absolutely.
Thank you, Kak Fatihah. Okay, what about you? What is your reaction when you got this first time the topic from broadcast?
Actually, this topic about metaphysic, I just get this from this program. Yeah.
You got
So,
shocked or like feel
yeah,
strange,
felt
like
shock.
oh, really? Why?
I
Why?
don't know about metaphysic. Actually, it's so hard for me. But about 3 days, I study about metaphysic on the internet.
Searching,
Yeah,
googling.
searching,
Oh my God.
Googling. So I found specifically it's talk about the existence and non-existence.
But don't
Yeah.
don't worry about it. It's not really like that because we will make fun.
Yeah.
But before, I mean, when you got for the first time, you feel shocked. Oh my God, what
Yeah.
is this? This is very hard. am I need to join? Am I need to
Yeah.
join? Join gak sih? Join gak sih?
Yeah, exactly.
Something like that, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, but keep moving forward. Okay, next you. Okay, what is your reaction when you got for the first this topic from broadcast?
Okay. First of all, I think this is one of my favorite topics
Oh,
to talk
really?
about. Yeah.
Oh my God.
I've been talk about this topic like
Why?
several times with my friends. Yeah. So this is for me. I think this is something kind of exciting.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think I'm going to like this topic.
Oh wow. You really like it because
Yeah.
this is familiar with
Yeah,
your
this
discipline, maybe with your hobby, with you spending your time to discuss maybe relate or similar like this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Exactly.
maybe. Okay, in your kajian mungkin ya kajian. Okay. What about you, Icha? What is your reaction when you got for the first time this topic?
Okay, thank you, Kadias. First, the time I listen the topic, I'm shocked. What is metaphysic? I don't know about it. I never listen. What is metaphysic? But I'm having to search in internet. But I keep the understand what it is. So I'm call Kak Fatihah. What is metaphysic? I'm chatting Kak Radias, and then I know right.
You know the essence
Yes.
after you answer. After you ask and consulted with Kak Fatihah. and you give message to me you also,
Yes,
right?
you tell so many about metaphysics.
But the first is you got shocked.
Yes, this is the
What
first.
is this? This is a very strange. This is a very hardest maybe.
Yes.
Okay. My next question still you.
Oh, yes.
Okay, when you first time hear this term in your life, and where? When you first time hear this term? Yeah. When you first time in your life hear this term,
Maybe this
istilah
is
ini.
this is the first time.
This is the first time
Yes.
also.
But in the meaning, I think I ever listen it. But
Yeah.
for the title, for the first
The
time,
term, the
yes,
istilah.
yes, the term.
But actually,
term.
you know the essence, the meaning. But for the special for the term, this is a really first time you
Yes,
hear.
this is the really first time.
Okay. What about you, Mila? When you first time in your life hear this term, metaphysic, to mention metaphysic.
Yeah.
When you first time to hear this term,
Oh, this time.
this time, not 10 years ago, to 20 years ago, 15 years ago, 5 years ago, no?
Just this time about the 3 days ago while Kak Fatihah called me as the join this program. Yeah, I've just known about the metaphysics since 3 days ago.
So this term is the new for
Yes,
you,
yes.
but actually the essence side is actually is like familiar also.
Yeah, it's familiar. It's happened actually around us, but we don't realize it.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. What about you, Mila? When you, for the first time in your life, hear this term?
So for me, as I said before, it is kind of familiar for me because I've actually read it in books that I've read like 4 or 3 years ago.
Okay.
So I've kind of know like what is metaphysics in multidimensional world. So yeah, that was the first time that I read that I know the terms of metaphysics dimension.
Okay, so this is familiar about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. What about you? When you first hear this term, maybe 20 years ago,
Oh my God.
30 years ago.
Oh my God. Oh.
Okay, since you
kidding.
was born.
Oh my God.
Well, then maybe since you was born, you hear this.
Actually, the term is just a modern term, but the simplify the term is something like abstract
Okay.
or gaib in Arabic. Say that. Okay, something like. For example, your mother's, I think metaphysic right now because your mother, I
Not
can
exist
yeah,
here,
not exist
but in
here,
the home.
but in the home,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, and then kambing-kambing potele is also, gaib or abstract because of
You know, kami putali is such like a cake, right?
Yes.
Like a snack.
Oh, do you know kambing potele? No,
It's
means
snack, right?
Yes, it means that
It's cheap.
It means that metaphysics for you,
Mhm.
but not for me.
Yeah, because we are familiar.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Kak Fatia. Okay, what about you? My next question. What is the sample of metaphysic thing? Do you know? The sample.
I think the example is love.
Love. Okay.
Yes.
What else?
Maybe as failures,
Failures.
Yes.
Why failures?
because so many people can feel it, but don't can to see.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
because that is the future, right?
Yes,
Failed.
failures.
Yeah, failures. Yeah. Okay. Any else? The sample.
Maybe it's ghost,
Yeah, ghost. Yeah. Ghost. Ghost.
because is every time in the night,
Mhm.
I feel I'm afraid with
Oh,
the ghost.
really?
I don't know how to the physics from ghost.
You want to see?
No, I never to see.
But you're wondering to see them.
No,
No, you don't know. You're not interested to see the ghost.
no.
No. Okay. What about you, Mila? What kind of metaphysic you know as your knowledge on your mind? What kind?
Okay, from the internet I study maybe the example of the metaphysics itself is flavor maybe
Flavor.
like salty,
Mhm.
sweet.
Mhm.
We just know sweet is sugar,
Mhm.
but
Oh
it
yeah.
consists in maybe in fruit.
Element. Yeah.
fruit, fruit also sweet.
Uh-huh.
And
Yeah.
salty, our skin maybe is
Uh-huh.
salty.
Yeah.
But we know that salty is just salt.
Yeah.
Come from salt.
After the result,
Yeah,
right?
after the
Yeah,
result.
yeah.
Maybe
Salty is only a result
yeah.
of the component
Yeah.
that we cannot see by
Yeah.
our eyes,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Oh
just
yeah,
like that. And maybe our soul.
our soul.
You guys can see my body, but my soul you can't see.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, that's very how to say, it's logic. Okay, what about you, Biba? What the sample you know about the metaphysics side?
Okay, so I strongly agree with Kak Mila that, but for me, I think it is also feelings.
Feelings.
Yeah, feelings
Okay.
like
Yeah, because we cannot see the feeling,
yeah,
right?
but we can feel it somehow.
yeah.
We also get the point that we cannot express, we cannot explain what we feels, but we feel it. So I think that is really metaphysic
Okay.
things. And then also that is about how it tastes.
taste.
Yeah, taste. So it basically just a component that is just an atoms, maybe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it
Atoms.
can be taste different from every single person.
Mhm.
So yeah, I think feelings and taste also metaphysic things.
Yeah. Do you have
Okay.
any others sample?
No, I think
Oh,
that's
okay. What about you, Kak Fatiha? What
Okay.
the example? What
Yeah,
are they?
as I say previously, as I say before, your mother is not
Mhm.
here, but your mother exists in your home, maybe,
Mhm.
and something like I do agree with sister from setting. I think is something like love, feeling.
Mhm.
I mean mindset,
Yeah.
different
Yeah.
brain,
Yeah.
and
Mine.
then mindset and happiness
Mhm.
or I agree also sister Mila say that salt or sugar
Yeah.
and then I think is just feel we can explain more and more but we can feel and I think but as I say before in Indonesian term rasa yang merasa bukan perasaan. Thank you.
Asik. Okay, my next question is what is what the important we study, we learn, we know about metaphysic? Okay, want to answer for the first speaker? Okay, you maybe. Uh, what the important we know or study or learn about metaphysic?
The important things about metaphysics, I think that there is actually something that we cannot see that is really unvisual, but we can feel it. We know it is there, but because some people would try to like ignore or neglect something that they didn't see. Yeah, so I think that for people, they have to know that there is also something that they cannot see but they can feel it. So yeah, it is okay to feel something that is not appear in our eyes.
Yeah, maybe also like we are like sensitive by positive sensitive like empathy or
Yeah,
sympathy
agree.
if we learn about metaphysics.
Yeah.
Because we know the concept. What is the concept of metaphysics? It means that everything is gonna be positive, okay, right,
Yeah,
like that,
agree.
right? Okay. What about you? What is the benefit when we learn about metaphysic dimension?
Actually, metaphysic dimension is talking about the nonsense. Maybe we usually see the situation like trance.
Yeah.
You know, trance.
Trans.
Possessed by ghosts.
Oh, yeah.
People possessed
Oh.
by a ghost. Some people that think that it's just how to say pura-pura.
Pretend.
Pretend that she or he possessed of the ghost, but it's actually maybe the ghost is in her body. Maybe so. It's important to know about this metaphysic. So.
Oh yeah, like
so,
Rukia,
yeah, Rukia, yeah,
like
that.
kesurupan,
So,
yeah,
so-
kesurupan
so-
masal.
yeah,
Is it
yeah,
real or
yeah, is it
pretend
real
or?
pretend? Something like that. So it is very how to say? It's very important
Yeah,
to know.
to make ourselves is aware in
Yes.
around us what
Yes.
happened, what will
Yes.
happen, and
Yes.
what should we do
Yeah,
when the situation like that it happened.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about you? What is the benefit when we know, at least we know, a metaphysic dimension, or we learn, we study? What is the benefit for us?
Okay, of course, for this time, if you learn about the metaphysic, you can feel what something your eyes don't can to see, but you can feel. Oh, it's here. The example is ghost. Maybe we don't can to see, but
You always
we can
mention
feel.
ghost.
Yes.
You are very
I'm
wonder,
really
very curious with
sensitive.
ghosts. Okay,
It's
okay.
about ghosts. I'm really sensitive, so I must to learn about metaphysic maybe for maybe
Yeah.
for
To
knowledge.
yeah, to make, I mean, like maybe you have like other knowledge like metaphysic, it's make you like, oh okay, how to say, more and more knowledgeable about something, yeah,
Yes.
special for metaphysic. So okay, this my question is, how do you think, guys, about the people like, yeah, how to say in English, kesurupan, yeah, yeah, trance, yeah, how do you think, yeah, possessed by ghosts or trance, how do you think about that phenomena? Yeah, okay, start from you. How do you think about that phenomena?
Yeah, thank you, Sister Mila. Trance, yeah.
Yeah,
I think
trance.
it is kesurupan, something like trance. I think is actually we can believe that because of I give for example, we enter the new place, and then how to say dunok kajili-jili, and then
Oh
I
my
have to
God.
say in English dunok kajili-jili, and then the how to say that host maybe that host something like patana parasanga, and
Oh my
then
God.
disturb that situation,
Uh-huh.
and then I think is maybe they or someone just want to test you,
Oh yeah.
test
Oh
you.
yeah. Yeah.
So if you enter the I mean you visit the new place,
Mhm.
we must, oh my God,
Like
yeah,
assalamualaikum.
assalamualaikum,
Yeah.
tabe. I think
Uh-huh.
is we maybe we
You
can
have to
avoid.
you have to humble the profile, even not for
Yeah,
human,
yeah, yeah.
even for human,
Yeah, because
really.
of
Mhm.
I agree, because all of the universal I think
Yeah.
is exist and have, how to say, soul,
Mhm.
even though the table has soul.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the water,
Yes, the water has soul,
air,
air, I think is
air conditioner,
yeah.
the frame, our studio
Yes.
screen, and
So
everything.
we must take permission patabe gitu.
Mm.
Thank you.
Okay. This is like like philosophy,
Yes.
like filsafat banget gitu. Wow. Okay, what about you? How do you think about the phenomena, about the trance, the process of ghosts? Yeah, right. Kesurupan. How do you think about it?
Okay, for me, I think for now, I still think that the possessed or the trance itself, it could be some psychological condition, but people, we don't really familiar with it. Like we don't know what cause us our mental to can be turned into the other side if we don't take care of it
Yeah.
properly. So. I think for now, because I'm actually not really believe in ghosts, that is why I'm taking this on a psychological aspect rather than
okay,
on
okay.
the spiritual things.
Like screaming, like
Yeah.
anxiety.
Yeah, like anxiety, panic
anxiety,
attacks.
panic.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's like more like a psychology,
Yeah.
not the other side.
Yeah, because
Right.
it actually has their own studies. So I think I'm more went into the scientist and the study itself.
Okay. What about you? What about this phenomena, the trance?
Okay, maybe for the trans or kesurupan
Yeah.
is, I think this is how to say about tergantung.
It's the pen.
It's
It's
for
the
your
pen.
mindset.
Uh-huh.
If you feeling you afraid with the ghost,
Mhm.
the ghost is like you.
Are you serious? Oh my God. It's
Yeah.
screaming.
Actually, I never feel it. The kesurupan,
Uh-huh.
I never feel it. But
Oh, wow.
someone, I have someone to say with me.
Your friend?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
your friend. If you have feeling you afraid,
Uh-huh.
The
Like
ghost-
goosebumps?
yeah, maybe the ghost is feel like you, because maybe the ghost feel the ghost is more strong of the human. So like that.
So it's depend on the people. If like how to say, if you open the interaction with the guys. Of course, the guys with close with you.
Yes.
If you just like don't care or not believe it, of course, automatically the ghost is not close to you, right?
Yes, like
Okay,
that.
keep your statement. We will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, give it applause, guys, for us. How are you? How are you? Okay, still spirit, right? Okay, still. Okay, my next question. Okay, you, Mila. Okay, how do you think about the previous question?
Yeah.
Do you get the point, right? Okay,
about
please.
trance or possessed by ghost.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe I am the only one who ever.
You was.
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
was
God.
possessed by a ghost. I don't know it's possessed or it's just myself, but I feel that something entered to my body from my fingertip and my toe tip until this, and I can move. I
You can
move.
stand.
Yeah, I
You can move.
Until this, and until this, I can move my hand and my toe. Yeah.
After that?
Yeah. After that, something speak in front of me. I wanna stop it, but
It's automatically.
yeah.
But you cannot
automatically-
control.
Yeah, I can control it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it happened several times.
It's
Yeah.
means like there is spirit inside your body.
Yeah,
Like-
at that time, yeah.
Oh my God.
And I feel
Are you
that,
frequently feel that or
actually,
a few
it-
times?
Huh?
A few times or frequently?
yeah.
Frequently or a few times? Which
It's
one?
about 4 times
4 times.
in
In your
2000
life?
in my life.
Okay.
And since I a child, I can see something like not exist.
Astral.
Yeah,
astral,
Yes,
yeah,
astral thing.
Astral
Yeah,
existence.
It's about 3 or 4 years old.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I can see, and
But you still can remember, right?
yeah, I can remember.
The how to say the shape.
And
Oh.
and my kids
Mhm.
also can
Oh
see
my
something like
God.
something. She say hi, bye.
And alone.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
This is very interesting, right? Okay. My next question. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay. My next question is we will talk about. My question is like mind. You know, mind. Our mind is very powerful. We have a power in our mind. We call the power of mind, and our mind can make reality. But when we believe, it makes like reality. Like in the other scientific called law of attraction, law of assumption, manjada wajada, something like that. So how do you think about that phenomena, the power of mind that can make reality? This is a strange. It's not logic because we just think, but the result is real. Something like that. How do you
Yeah.
think about that?
Actually, I ever do this law of attraction.
Attraction.
Some years ago in 2021, maybe.
What about what the
I write about in 2022.
I
I
will.
will have this,
Mhm.
and in 2022
Mhm.
I have it. Yes.
How many months after you put your LOA, law of attraction?
It's
How many
about,
months?
1 year more.
Oh, 1 year. Oh,
More.
1 year. Okay. So what the things? What is sample? What the thing?
Actually, it's
Like
about,
pilgrimage to Hajj, or renting a car, or maybe have a baby, or what?
it's actually I have a heart in economic.
Mhm.
Economic in financial.
Oh, financial, you means,
financial in
Mhm.
2021, and
Mhm.
I want to. I write about in 2022 or more. I will free of
Income.
income like that. And it's true.
It's happened.
It's happened. I can buy anything I want. Just
After
what
this,
I
see what I treat
what
you
I
guys.
want,
Kidding.
but not so expensive. It's not expensive, but yeah, I can buy it. Yeah.
Like a motorcycle, like
I
car.
can ride motorcycle,
Uh-huh.
or maybe just smartphone, iPhone like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that is the power of mind, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Do you still any other experience about the power of mind? Except that?
Maybe yes, that. But I write another one, and still on process.
Oh,
I'm
yeah, I
waiting
see.
now.
Okay, keep your statement.
Yeah.
What about you, Icha? Do you have experience that you write down of thinking something and that make dreams comes true?
Yes, if speak about mine, I think is simsalabim. If
Yeah,
mine.
simsalabim abracadabra.
Yes, because what you think is can do if you believe it. For example, I'm here in the world 2023. 2000
What do you mean? You read you?
I'm here world 2000 and
Oh, this word you hear.
no, I'm here
You hear?
baby.
Oh, you
the
hear
big-
baby. You hear baby.
No,
Uh-huh.
here until big and
Uh-huh.
baby until big because
Oh yeah.
I have mindset. I can keep live. I can for a problem in the world. I can do it. So I believe mindset is a really help a stranger.
What about the others case? You feel your experience that you think, but it's gonna be happen. What the others like? Maybe you thinking about okay, someday I want to be ambassador, maybe like tourism, like campus ambassador, or others. Maybe you have.
Yes, I always in the night I always think in maybe tomorrow I can have many and then for tomorrow my mom give me a money. So oh my god, this is a really nice for what mindset. So if I wanted to be a success people, yes, maybe not now, maybe 10 years, but think the positive.
Okay, like a dream. Yeah, you have a dream to put yourself like how to make a forward, how to be success, and inshallah, yeah, you will be there. Yeah, okay. So don't give up to always try hard. You work hard, you work smart. Both them, work hard and work smart. Okay, what about you, Mila? Do you have any experience that you feel the result of the power of mind? How the powerful our mind to make a real something that we think. Okay, do you have like that?
Yeah, just like Kamila said, the manifesting,
manifesting.
the manifesting, the power of manifesting. Actually, I just kept think positively about my life. Like if I went into hard situation, I will try like not to think the negative side. So I would distract myself and think about the happy thing that I did in my life. Actually, for the manifesting that I experienced recently is I really want to buy this ticket and then like
Blackpink?
no, it's it's Taylor Swift.
Oh, Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Oh,
So it is really like 0.001 chance I got the ticket, and then a month before
war
that,
ticket? No.
war
Ticket? No.
yeah, war ticket. So a month before that, like I'm manifesting it through a TikTok video.
You want to buy a ticket of Taylor Swift?
Yeah.
Then she want to buy ticket of Ridwan Saw. Okay. Do you have any experience?
Yeah, so like I save it the video on my draft on TikTok a month before, and then like a month later I actually got the ticket. So the video is really like manifesting video. So I was like, oh my god, this is really happen. And then I actually experienced it before like a year ago, but with my job career. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That manifesting.
so manifesting, that is really great
Thank
for
you.
you.
What about you, Kak Fatiha? Do you have something like where or which your mind is work and make real something?
Yeah, actually, something like our friends. I have dream. I mean, I have a purpose. I think is, but impossible we reach because without I mean effort. I think, but now I have I mean ambition. I have a dream. Something like I want to meet the great person, something like Biba, something like Mila, something like Icha. I think is my the law of attraction,
I
and
see.
then the power of mind, the power of mind. I believe that, and then I like to say,
You gonna be Mahaguru.
oh no
Mahaguru. Because you want to create the great person, right? You want to the great kind person. Yeah, exactly.
No, I mean I'm so happy, but one day I must find the great person one day, and every day I must find that great person, something like you.
And you will create, the great person also, not only find.
Yeah. Why I say because I mean I success. I'm success to create the good people, the great people, something like you know Mem Maharida.
Yeah,
Yes.
I know
And then
her
think
very
it's-
well.
Yes, because if I never find the great person,
Who you know? I know. Who I know? You know.
I know, and I know you're right. Okay. I think it's metaphysic. Okay. Oh my God, you kidding. And I think is I always positive thing, and I like to say I depend on your mind and you depend on my mind. Okay,
Aku tergantung perasaan kamu dan kamu tergantung perasaan
Thank
kamu.
you.
Okay, give a applause for us. Okay, my next question is, our topic for this video is very interesting because this is a very unusual, guys, smart viewers and listeners at home. Okay, my next question is, how do you think, guys, because in our universe, everything is also actually life, even that object is die, like table, wall, frame, color, like this. Actually, all of these have a soul, but we cannot hear them. They cannot speak, but they have a soul. Yeah, our glasses, this, how to say in English, this, and everything around us in the universe have a soul, not only human being. So how do you think about that? Maybe meet you guys, you Biba. Okay, how do you think about it?
Okay, yeah, I've actually heard about that. That everything around us is actually have their own soul, have their own world, and
It's logic or not?
yeah, I think it is scientific. Like there is component like subatomics that made us. It is just different structures between us, between our clothes, with the table, the air. It's just like everything is made from like these specific subatomic things, and we just build different.
Oh, you are like a scientist. Oh, you like it. Oh.
Yeah, really into science things.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is you actually we can explain, right?
Yeah.
By scientific.
Yeah, I
side.
guess.
Okay,
I think.
thank you. What about you, Mila? How do you think about the object in around us in universe have a soul actually?
If we can hear them, all of this, maybe it's so crowded here.
Yeah.
Crowded.
Yeah.
Hey.
How if dust we can see the
it's
dust?
so
Oh my God, it's
crowded
very
here.
screamy. Yeah. Oh my God. It's funny. It's funny. It's funny. Yeah.
But it's just the same with our scientists.
Mm-hmm.
Diva said before that they have other world,
Mm-hmm.
and we have our own world.
Do you
So
have a
uh,
supernatural, sorry,
Yeah,
supernatural
so
perspective about it? Do you have?
uh, I don't know for sure, but something that maybe yes, they have soul, but I can see now.
Mm.
Yeah.
Really? Really, you can see?
No, I can't.
Oh,
I
can't.
can't
Okay,
see.
oh my
I
God.
don't want to
Mm.
open my eyes because it's so dangerous. Yeah, yeah, it's so dangerous.
So
Yeah.
there, around us is exist, yeah.
I have to have a friend first. Yeah, like a partner, so I can.
In the company, wherever you go. Oh my God. Okay,
something like that.
thank you. What about you, Cha? How do you think? How is your perspective about object around us in universe have a soul? What is your perspective about it?
Maybe I think is the all of it
Yeah.
is nothing soul because it is
okay.
did something did don't have a feel difference with me
with us.
with us
Yeah.
have a heart
Mhm.
to feel and then this like television or
Mhm.
laptop is not have a soul because don't can to speak maybe
Mhm.
don't have a heart, don't have a organ in
Mhm.
the how to say
Ah.
tubuh.
Yeah. So you are not make sense about it, and
Yes.
you are how to say you are not support that the theory say all of in universe is have a soul. You cannot agree about it.
Yes, I'm not agree.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Kak Fatiha? What do you think about the all of in around us have a soul? Do you agree or not, or what and why?
I think is I have taught before,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
I have
Yeah.
taught before because of everything is has soul.
Mhm.
I think because of if we have you find that
Mhm.
some feature and then the feature that the picture eyes something like
You make frequently. You always see the picture like this.
Yes,
Oh my God.
right.
Uh.
And then have you ever watched something like films and then
As
how-
if like life.
yes, and then
Uh-huh.
you that's something like painting,
Mhm.
and the painting something like horse that's oh my God that
Always
yes.
do that.
But I believe that
Uh-huh.
is exist but not believe. Do
Mm.
you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
I believe that table, but not I believe to
Yeah,
faith.
yeah,
I mean
yeah,
faith.
yeah.
But
Yeah,
we
because because we are not animism and dynamism.
yes, yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. So
We are Muslim,
yes,
right?
they hide the level
Mhm.
to believe or faithful. I think we must absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean authority to believe our God.
Mm.
But we believe the table or everything here. I think is has soul.
Mhm.
Just believe, but
Mhm.
it is not. It doesn't mean that we follow their how to say something like faith, something like faith our
Mhm.
God.
Yeah, yeah.
Because for the other example, something like our imagination.
Mm.
I believe my imagination
I believe I can
can
fly.
fly. Oh my God. We have imagination or dream or I mean sometimes we dream someone.
Dream, I have
Yes.
a
So
dream. Like that.
something like architect. You know,
Architect.
yes,
Yeah.
architect. Something like I imagine then something like the house like this,
Mhm.
and I make a proof
Mhm.
in the reality.
Mhm.
You something like sand
Mhm.
or how to say cement and etc.
Mhm.
That make proof
Mhm.
that my brain in my mind
Yeah.
that I draw that something like the house minimize something like. Do you
Mhm.
understand what
Yeah,
I mean?
yeah, yeah. I see. I get the
Okay.
point.
Mm.
Okay, yeah. You believe, but not believe.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, thank you. What about the energy, like electromagnetic, like a toll or pulsar, water, air, right? How to say suhu? Temperature, yes, and etc. About it. What about the energy? What about you? Cahaya or nur? Yeah. What about you?
They exist, but we can see. Maybe like the air.
Mm-hmm.
The air. We feel cold now
Yeah.
because the air.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, something like
But
that.
they don't have shape,
Yeah,
but they are
yeah,
exist.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
something like that.
Okay. What about your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
It's very interesting
Mm-hmm.
topic about metaphysics tonight because we know that something that actually exists,
Mhm.
even we before we don't know that it is exists.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you? What about the energy like water, temperature, air, electromagnetic signal, pulse, how to say toll, and etc. about it? What is your perspective about them?
Yeah, suddenly we don't can to see with eyes,
Mm-hmm.
but the something is exist,
Mm-hmm.
but human need it,
Mhm.
need it.
Mhm.
The example.
Are they need human?
No.
No, really,
Really.
really.
The example is maybe temperature.
Mhm.
The human need it,
Mhm.
but human never see it.
Mhm.
So is
Sometimes you need hot
No.
temperature.
No.
Sometimes you need cool temperature. Sometimes you need fresh,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So, what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Same like Kak Mila.
Mhm.
I think it's interest. I
Mhm.
wanna more to study if
Mhm.
I back from this because I like the material.
Okay, guys, prepare your maybe your vocabularies, your wise word, your idiom after this question finish. Yeah, because I want to ask you about the vocabularies, about idioms, wise word, our final statement. Okay, what about you? What about the energy? Do you get the point, right? Okay, what about the energy in your perspective?
From my perspective about the about the pulsar
Mm-hmm.
or maybe the Wi-Fi, I
Mhm.
think that is some kind of uh, electromagnetic, and
Mhm.
that is a technology that
Mhm.
human creates for times to times.
Mhm.
So yeah, I think that is my perspective.
Yeah, so that is a very supporting and helpful human being to exist in on Earth.
Yeah, exactly. And actually, maybe
Okay,
the
we
human
need them.
being,
What about they? Are
Yeah.
they need human?
I think they are need humans, so
Why?
they can be useful.
Oh my God.
Useful.
Ujung-ujungnya ya.
Human juga.
Okay, what about you? What about the energy?
Okay, actually, I do agree with Sister Bida because
Mhm.
of we need the how to say pulsar and etc. And otherwise,
Mhm.
I think it's something like Sister Bida say. I think it's not useless.
Mm.
Okay, we need. I mean, how to say?
Yeah, we need them. What about them? Are they need us?
Me
They
because
need you.
they need us
Uh-huh.
because if they
Uh-huh.
human being is not use the all of the something like pulsa, I think it's useless.
Useless.
Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, do you have some words or wise words or idioms or final statement about our topic for this evening?
Yes,
Please.
I just
Vocabularies?
I just remember in may I say in Quran?
Okay.
Okay, I just remember in Quran.
Please, your mic.
Please believe. I mean the goif.
Okay.
Okay, something like malaikat or angel or setan or the I mean or the God. I think is Quran say that
Satan, you means Satan.
Satan.
Satan, not ghost.
Not
Yeah,
ghost.
Satan, iblis.
Yes,
Okay.
we must believe that because sometimes sometimes I myself, sometimes we are human being, but my attitude something like Satan.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Okay, what about you, Mila? Do you have some words or vocabularies? Oh, sorry, Biba. Some words or vocabularies or final statement or wise word, please.
Okay, I think I'm going to say just the final statement
Yeah.
for today.
Please.
I think that it's really interesting because we have a different perspective here. So I think that is needed for this kind of situation or maybe just interaction. I think the difference is make us more human. Yeah, I think that's
Okay,
all.
thank you. Mutualism, yeah, mutualism. What about you, Icha? Do you have some words or vocabularies about our topic for listening, or wise word, or final statement, or idioms?
Maybe for a human, maybe sometimes you don't can to see the something, but you can feel it. Please believe it because this is exit.
Don't judge by the cover.
Yes.
Okay, make it close, feel it, and you can see. Okay, what about you? You want to say something like maybe some vocabularies or idioms or final statement or wise word? Which one?
Maybe I think language is also a part of metaphysics.
Oh yeah.
And I would like to say language is a habit.
Mhm.
If you don't use it, so you can lose it.
Get
Yeah,
loose.
so now I am here to practice my language.
Give me applause. Okay. No?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you guys for coming here in our second home in Smartfm. Smart up your life with English communities. Of course, thank you Kak Fatia from BPEC. Thank you Biba from Max. Thank you Kak Mila from Hack Hasanuddin English Club. Thank you Icha from Setting Saturday English Meeting Club. Okay, thank you guys for coming here. Okay, that's all our conversation, guys, about our topic for this evening. The topic is metaphysic dimension. It's a very interesting and unusual. Okay, see you guys for the next week as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia. Bye.